the bird who shared his wings. Deep inside a beautiful green forest lived a bird named Norley. Norley was known throughout the forest for his magnificent white feathers. Many animals admired him. Some even believed his beautiful wings were the most wonderful thing in the forest. Norley felt proud of his feathers, but he also tried to be kind to the other animals. One bright morning, Norley was resting near his nest when he heard a soft knocking at his door. Tap, tap, tap. When he opened the door, he saw a tiny baby bird standing there. The little bird looked frightened.
My name is Ed,
said the baby bird.
I need your help.
Ed explained what had happened. Several years earlier, one of his wings had become tangled in a thick vine. Although he eventually escaped, his wing had been badly damaged. Now he could not fly. While the other birds soared through the sky, Ed could only watch from the ground.
I dream of flying one day.
Ed said sadly. Norley listened carefully. He felt sorry for the little bird. That afternoon, Norley visited his friend Theodore the Turtle. Theodore was known as the wisest animal in the forest. After hearing the story, Theodore thought for a moment. Then he smiled.
Sometimes,
he said,
the greatest gifts are not meant only for ourselves.
Norley wondered what Theodore meant. That evening, Norley thought about Ed. He thought about his beautiful wings. And he thought about Theodore's words. Then, an idea came to him. Perhaps he could use some of his feathers to help the young bird. The next morning, Norley carefully gathered several feathers that had naturally fallen from his wings. Together with Theodore, he used them to create a special set of practice wings for Ed. First, flying was difficult. Ed stumbled, he wobbled, sometimes he even tumbled into bushes. But Norley encouraged him every day.
Don't give up,
Norley said.
Every great flyer starts with small flaps.
Day after day, Ed practiced. Little by little, he became stronger. One morning, something wonderful happened. Ed spread his wings. He flapped hard. Then suddenly, he lifted off the ground. A few feet became a few yards. A few yards became a trip across the meadow. Ed was flying. The animals cheered. Norley smiled proudly, not because of his own feathers, but because he had helped a friend achieve a dream. As years passed, Ed grew into a strong and confident bird. He never forgot Norley's kindness. Whenever young animals faced challenges, Ed encouraged them, just as Norley had encouraged him. One evening, as the sun set over the forest, Theodore the Turtle gathered animals together. He pointed to Norley and said,
Many believed Norley's feathers were the most beautiful thing in the forest, right?
The animals nodded.
But they were wrong.
Theodore continued.
The most beautiful thing is the kindness in his heart.
And from that day forward, the animals remembered an important lesson. True beauty is not found in how we look, but in how we help others. And the forest became an even happier place for all. Thank you for joining us on today's adventure in Whispers from Nature. Remember, true kindness, courage, and wisdom help make the world a better place. If you enjoyed this story, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell so you won't miss our next adventure. Until next time, keep listening to Whispers from Nature.